Today we are going to check the insides of the DMC. DMC takes care of setting the gas pipes after applying a process. You have the gas inlet ports in here, and the outlet ports are at the other side. So gases enter from this side. Then, based on the process, the gases go out to the DPC from the other side. Loosen the screws in here and here, and remove the screws in here and here. Take an Allen key, then loosen these bottom ones. You don't need to remove them completely. Then remove the screws on top. Then remove the cover. Just lift it up and it should come out. Here we have the power supply. This is the main circuit board. And here the indicator lights. On the fixture plate we have a total of 15 solenoid valves. They are all the same, so you can swap them around if needed. Let's remove one of the valves. Take a 15mm wrench and remove the nut. You can then pull out the hood, the coil, and then remove the spacer. Then we remove the solenoid body. Use a pair of pliers to loosen the valve body and then just unscrew it with your fingers. Then, let's put the valve back. Check that the O-rings are in place and in good shape. Then check that the valve is clean and holes open. From the fixture plate, make sure it's clean and doesn't have any scratches. Place the valve body into the hole and screw it into the plate, making sure the O-rings are in place. Then tighten with a pair of pliers. Drop the spacer in place, the flat side down. Then the coil and lastly the hood. Last thing to do is screw on and tighten the nut. Don't over-tighten the nut, it's just a hold in the hood. Thank you for watching and I hope to see you in the next video.